LMSTS-450P-DUO is a compact and cost-effective stick pack or sachet packing machine. Specifically engineered for co-packers handling a wide range of powder products. Equipped with 2 filling systems, an auger filler and a volumetric cup filler, the LMSTS-450P-DUO delivers optimal performance across different powder types. Use the auger filler for accurately dosing and packing non-free-flowing powders such as flour, protein powders, or cocoa. Use the volumetric cup filler for efficiently filling free-flowing powders like sugar, salt, or granular coffee. Touch-screen human-machine interface for easy operation. Automatic operation screen for normal operation. Manual operation for testing, troubleshooting, and cleaning. Detailed setting of intricate parameters. Real-time input-output status monitoring for every sensor and actuator operation while the machine is running. Good for machine setting and troubleshooting. Detailed function control at your fingertips. With its small footprint and dual functionality, the LMSTS-450P-DUO offers a complete and efficient packaging solution for modern co-packing operations. LENIS also offers a complete stick pack and sachet packaging line, featuring automated powder feeding via screw conveyor and packet weighing with automatic rejection of out-of-range packets using a check weigher. The LENIS LMSTS-450 series machines are renowned for their quality, safety, and dependable North American support. We also offer an expedited lead time of 40 to 50 days. LENIS Machines, smart machines for courageous entrepreneurs.